Hey everybody, this is Eric from Team 1EV. We're going to take you through the steps for cutting the access hole in the bottom panels of the Rivian, show you how to use the diagram, and then show you how the bracket, the body bracket, is going to go through that access hole and let you mount the brackets for the running board. So stay tuned and we'll show you guys how simple it is. All right, here we are underneath the R1T. Pro tip, give your vehicle a good wash. Speaking from experience, you want to get all this dirt off the bottom side of the truck. That way it's not falling on top of you. Pair of glasses helps as well to keep things out of your eyes. But once you wash it, give it one last wipe before you start to lay out your template, and that's just going to save you from getting covered in dirt and debris. So once we get the vehicle in off-road mode, so it's going to be as high as possible, you know, maybe get you a nice comfortable mat or piece of carpet to lay on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our diagram, and I've printed it off here, but essentially you're just going to lay it up here, line the back edge up with the back of the panel. You're going to line this inside edge up with the inside edge of the panel. There's a circle for the 10mm bolt that helps to hold the panel into the chassis. So we're gonna feel that with our finger. That feels good. And then there's also another reference line here that catches this angular edge of the panel. So you basically have 4 reference points to help you get your location perfect. And then we're going to take just you know, nail or screw or whatever you got handy. And I'm going to mark that center of the hole. And pretty simple, that's going to give us our location for cutting out the access hole. All right, so if you don't have a printer, not to fear. We're just gonna take these dimensions, the 8.1 inches and the 4 inches, and we're just gonna measure it manually with a tape measure. So if we get up under here, we're gonna come 4 inches off of this back edge, okay? And then we're gonna come 8.1 off of the inside edge, and we can also mark that location manually. So you don't have to have the actual printed out template, but it just makes it a lot easier. So all right, so once we get the bracket up into the access hole, you see we've got plenty of room. Install the body bolt back into its hole, and then we're going to take our Torx Plus 55 and we're going to torque this back to the factory spec. All right, everybody, so we showed you how easy that was. 4-inch hole saw to create the access hole to install our body bracket. Again, these panels do not have to be removed. The 4-inch hole is very quick, very easy, but you've got options. So if you'd rather create a tighter fitting access, we also, we'll give you templates for creating a slot like this. And again, it just comes down to how much time you want to spend with it, and what's important to you. So, you can take these off completely if that's your choice, or you can keep them installed and just cut the slots, just whatever you like.